What are the causes of these developmental disorders?
So again, a very good question, and I think most disabilities, we don't know the cause. So I think that is one thing that we should be very honest about. But of course, there are some reasons. So for example, you will have children or a pregnancy which has been very difficult, a mother who may have had an infection, a very difficult labor period. So a mother who had to have certain medicines during a delivery, all of that impacts the growing fetus. So it impacts the growing mind. So this is one of the reasons that we can point out to developmental disorders. The other is genetics, both from the father as well as from the mother. The child is getting equal amount of genes and chromosomes, and that can impact the development. So often in developmental disabilities, we can see a family history. So you can see that this particular child might have quite a severe disorder, but when you look at the generations above, you may see milder levels of that disorder. So there is a genetic propensity for certain disorders. And I would say these are the most common. Of course, you will also have early childhood infections. You might have toxicities. We have some communities in India, luckily not in Goa, where we have things like lead in well water, which can impact the brain growth of children. So there are multiple reasons, and often they're very specific to the communities that we live in.